know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Pool party, if I even the beach we have to reach. At summertime, we're at Splish Plus. It's about to go down. Come along with us, freestyle. So, after you purchase your ticket, this is the entrance you check in right here. They ensure that they search your bag for safety reasons. Thank you. Yo, Ray, here we go. So we are now inside of the water park. Nice weather, guys. Nice and windy. Not too windy, just right. First, the kids want to get a life vest. We're now at Surf City. We're at the main pool. It's about to go down now, right, guys? And for sure, the kids are having mad fun. You know the vibe. Ryan, you're having fun, right? You got it. Terry, how's it going? Charlie, how's it going? Yeah, Freestyle Nation, it's a part of the summer series, you know what I mean? So remember to like, share and comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and join the movement. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Summertime in a Splish Splash. Summertime in a New York. Summertime in a my scheme. You know the vibes. Freestyle. You know the vibes. Yo, the water is cold, bro. Ryan, be careful, boy. Remember, you can't swim, alright? Remember, of you guys can't swim, so you gotta be careful. Bunch of can't swim people, guys, so I have to be giving them instruction because guess what? I'm the only swimmer outside here. You know the vibe.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah? Remember guys, like, share and comment. If you're just subscribers yet, bing bang! Hit the subscription button and join the movement. Yeah. Freestyle, wagwan. We're outside, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Like, share, comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button. Remember to hit the notification bell that each time Freestyle drop a video, you get it. We're out here at Splish and it's a mad vibe. We're having fun. And guess what? Mr. Fitness. So even though we're having fun, we're still doing some fitness move. I'm gonna give you some push-up right now. Come. Freestyle. You did it! You scary cat, you did it! How was it? Tell me! How was it? Right? Remember guys to check out the channel guys. Enjoy guys. Orange Freestyle Adventures, alright? Enjoy guys, I'll see you around. Derek, Ryan, Kelly. freestyle, it's the whole vibe.
Daddy, can you go over there? I'm thirsty. Daddy, it's gonna be scary. Huh? Freeze and go down. Daddy, can I get a juice over there? I'm thirsty.
Derek, you know the vibes? Alright. What are supposed to do?
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Alright, you know the vibe. Do the right thing, freestyle nation. You guys are enjoying your meal? Good, good, good. Enjoy, guys. Ryan, you did it! Right, you're brave, boy. Ryan, you having fun, child? Good. Good, boy, good. Enjoy.